Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. My name is Courtney. This is the Courtney Club and it's a weekly vlog. If you haven't caught up on what I've been doing, where I'm at, you need to go watch the previous vlogs. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think, how you feel, and I would love to keep you a part of the club. Right now, we are getting ready to go get something to eat. We're gonna go to Amu Plaza and we'll probably walk around, do a little shopping. I don't know, kind of just chill. We made it to Cheese and Dorian. That's what we're gonna have for lunch. And we'll probably go see a movie after this. Go see The Gladiator. We hadn't seen that yet. But I ordered a shrimp and lobster gratin Coke and a cheesecake that looks like cheese. This is what my meal looks like. I got gratin Dorian, that's the shrimp, there's some lobster in there, Parmesan cheese, mozzarella cheese. How you eat it is you take it out the bowl because that's fire down there, so it's hot. And you put it in this bowl, you let it cool down a little bit, and you eat. Also, it has rice in it. So that's really why I like it. I love a little rice, a little cheese moment, put some shrimp and some lobster on top, and we got a meal, honey. We finished eating and we kind of walked around Amu Plaza for a little bit. We really just killing time because while we were eating lunch, we decided we'll go see the movie, but the movie don't start until 6:30 and right now it's 4:50. So we're just walking around, probably gonna go look at some Christmas decorations. So at some point when I come by the decorations, I already know where I wanna go and what I wanna get. I just want to say I won every game we played. AJ lost. I am a very good competitor. Right? Right. So now we didn't kill all this time. We get ready to go into the movies. You may be wondering why I am holding a bucket of popcorn. Well, let me tell you. Because the movie was in Japanese. We didn't know that. A few times we've been to the theater have been English movies with Japanese subtitles. This one was dubbed in Japanese. So, we did not stay for the movie, but I did bring the popcorn with me. Good morning, y'all. Welcome to the next day. So right now, I'm on my way to the gym. It is cold, and I'm actually late because I should be there at 9, and it's 8:59. And I still probably have 10-15 minutes to walk, so I'm gonna have to really get to it once I get to the gym. I'm proud of myself for sticking to my fitness routine because in June I started going back to the gym, and in August I started taking it like seriously, going to the gym 2 times a day. I was eating differently. I was very intentional about working out because your girl started getting her grown woman weight and life has been shook since. So if you didn't know, I've always played sports growing up, played basketball in college, ran track, high school, soccer, all around athlete. And then the weight started catching up to your girl about 27. To me, this was my real test if I was gonna stay consistent because I'm out of my comfort zone of being at home at a gym I'm familiar with the foods, I'm familiar with everything. And here I have to be super intentional about making sure I work out, making sure I eat healthy, and I'm proud of myself. Last night, I forgot to show y'all, I got some new scents from Lush. When we was walking around just chilling yesterday, I was scrolling TikTok and I saw this scent combination I had to try, which is supposed to be with turmeric latte and let the good times roll. I already had this one in the combination, which smells so yummy. It smells so delicious. While we were also in there, we were smelling every single scent they had available. I could not walk away without this in my collection, which is No Way to Say Goodbye, which is a peach scent. So I'm not gonna wear it right now because it's not peach time, but just know in the spring, she gonna make her appearance. I'm leaving Deco home because I got a pot. I want to cook lasagna tonight. Right now I'm going to Hands because I want to get some markers or pens so I can write on my little mini photos. I have to show you at home. I have like this little photo album going right now, and I need some markers so I can write on the picture. This is the pot I got from Deco Homes. So I wanted a pot because I plan on cooking lasagna soup in just a few minutes. So I needed a deeper pot. I don't have a pot that's deep enough for me to cook soup in because I've been really wanting chicken noodle soup for the longest and lasagna soup. If you have not made it before, you need to go make it, or you can watch me make it and then you go make it and tell me how you feel about it. I've made it at home twice, and the only issue I have each time is the noodles. Both times I've made them, the noodles have been just a little too big, but it's still good. But I just want the noodles to be a little bit smaller. So that is the goal for this lasagna soup. I'm getting ready to clean this pot so I can go out and cook dinner. I just finished cooking and we're watching this show called The Madness, which is really good. It's on Netflix. But the lasagna soup is done. I still cannot get down how to make these noodles a little bit smaller. But other than that, let's do a first taste. It's hot. There's some flavor. AJ told you that, so I'm not giving my own words. I'm using his words. He said it was flavorful. But yeah, so y'all should do it. And I feel you shouldn't put the cheese in until you put it in each individual bowl. Once you put the cheese inside the pot, the cheese is gonna expand. And so then I feel like it takes it from a soup more to a stew. So I think you should put the cheese in the bowl that you're gonna eat in and then mix it up, or however you're gonna eat it. But I'm gonna finish watching this because we're in the last episode. Good morning, welcome to the next day. So right now I am on my way to get me some coffee. I went and worked out this morning and did my 40-minute walk. I am so unmotivated right now to run because I really wanted to run in the Kakashima Marathon. I want to run in a marathon, period. But right now it has to be Kakashima because that's where I'm at. But I missed the deadline to sign up. I've been down since I found out I missed the deadline. So I'll run another day. It just wasn't today. But we're gonna get some coffee right now at this little cute coffee shop. I'm leaving the coffee shop now. I've only had it one other time and it was good, so I remembered and I wanted it again. The only downfall is I forgot to bring cash, so after my workout I had to walk back to the apartment, get cash, then walk to the coffee shop, but it was well worth it. I had a cafe latte iced, and I believe it's the Oreo or cookies and cream muffin. Was so good. Whatever cream they put on it, oh my gosh, chef's kiss, yummy. But I also got a muffin to go. I think it was the buttered one. I have to open it up to see exactly which one it is. But I did get a muffin to take away. Now I'm going back to the apartment so I can take a shower, clean myself up, and then figure out what I want to do today. This is what I got from Hands yesterday. Remember I was saying y'all about my little photo journal thing I got going on? Y'all didn't know nothing about it, but I'm telling y'all about it right now. But I'm showing y'all my little craft stuff I got for it. I'm gonna start with my markers. These are the colors I got so that I can write on the photos or in the notebook. And I got these cute masking tapes because when I glue the picture down, I can just put these around the picture as a border. So it just adds a little razzle dazzle, you know? I have little sticky notes so I can write something. I don't know, I have something to say. And this is supposed to be for the masking tape, where I can put it on and save space instead of getting like the full like roller. So we'll test that out, not right now, but we will test it out. And I got a new case for everything because the case I have right now, I just wasn't feeling it no more. And this was on sale, so A win is a win. This is my little photo journal I was telling y'all about. So my grandma actually snuck this in my bag when I came to Japan last time. And it says, with God, all things are possible, Matthew 19:26. And it also has a little note she wrote me. I ain't gonna show y'all my note, but she wrote me a cute little note. I'll show y'all a page, which this one is a photo of us holding the AJ ball. It was one of AJ's friends and his girlfriend. We went to eat somewhere, and this is tacos from Dolphin. And I plan to write with the markers here, just, you know, something. And then I just kind of print out things that are more memorable to myself or fun times. So when I look back on this at a later date, at a later point in life, I can be like, oh my gosh, these are like my personal memories, because I do print out photos of all things my family does. So at home we have like a full photo album, and it's just all the phases of life. Like at my mama's house, she has like a bucket of photos. She got photo albums, but it's cute so I can look back on my life or like family members' lives. It's just random photos. So that's the same thing I plan to do in my household. Well, I'm actually doing in my household. So like we can look back at different stages and phases and things of life and, you know, have a good time. And when people come over to our house, they can also look at the photo album and be like, oh my God, we all did this. Oh my God, this is so cute. Ha ha, woo, 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 woo. That's my plan for that too. So yeah, that's at the house. So y'all can't see that because it's not on me, obviously. But I have a Instamax, and this is where I print all my pictures. I have the one that's portable, so I can just pick the pictures on my phone, Bluetooth, print, paste. And then I have some more sticky notes. This is the glue that I use for the pictures, some more glue, and I have stickers. I bought these a while back. They don't really flow, but I didn't want to get rid of them because they're flower cafe type style. So I'll find use for them. But I wanted to buy some more stickers yesterday, but none of them really spoke to me. So I don't know. I'll have to just maybe get random stickers that mean random things. I don't know. I just wanted to be able to look back later and have like my own personal thoughts journey and whatever I want in my little journal, because it's mine. Hey, it's the next day. So this morning I got up, went to the gym, did a full body workout. I am actually really sore, and my hand hurts for some reason. I don't know what I did either earlier this week or today. I don't know, but my hand is not what's up. But in a few minutes, I'm getting ready to get picked up so I can go get my updated residency card, because I stay longer than a visitor time period. I get a residence card because my husband works here in Japan. I just finished taking my shower and stuff, so I'm gonna finish getting ready so we can be prepared for when my ride is downstairs. I just got back from Amu Plaza. At this point, we're like this, but I'm gonna show y'all what I got. I went to GU, Uniqlo, and Big Camera. So starting off from GU, I got a plain button-up white shirt, so I can put it underneath items, so I can have the collar come out, and depending on how the sleeves fit, they'll kind of poke out a little bit. Also got this collared shirt with 3 buttons, and it's also long sleeve. From Uniqlo, I got some pants. They're wide leg. Just some more jeans. You can't have too many jeans, in my opinion. From Big Camera, I got some more film for my Instamax and a memory card for my Switch. So I do have a Nintendo Switch, and I've been in my gamer era just a little, not a lot, but just a little. I need a memory card because I do need a little bit more space. But I have to show y'all the kind of games I have if you're interested in that kind of thing. Hey y'all, so right now we're on our way to AJ's game. We're in the car. It's probably like a 30-40 minute drive. So I will show y'all the scenery. We've made it to the gym. Now I'm just sitting, watching. I really don't know what's going on, but there's like people playing a scrimmage, maybe? I don't know. But watching this, I'm gonna play a couple games on my Switch while I just wait. Typically when I come with AJ, it's early and there's like other things going on, or they're still setting up and stuff, so there's not much to show, but I'll show y'all when the game starts. The game just ended, so right now I'm just waiting on AJ to come out so we can go back to the apartment, get dinner, and redo today all over again because they play again tomorrow. But we're gonna close this vlog out right here. Please let me know if you enjoyed this weekly vlog, and I'll do some more.